Ciao beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Hope you guys are well and safe. Today, very excited because it's another card making video. This year I'm going to make a lot of card making videos because I do love card making and I have tons of stamps that I have probably used once or twice. So I'm not doing them any justice and it's not really being a good investment. So lots of card making video coming up. So today I'm going to be sharing how I made super fun, very sparkly, very glittery, very extra, lovely cards. Keep watching guys and I will see you very soon. Happy Monday guys, hope you had a fabulous weekend. Today we're going to make another project using the VIP kit for January. If you wonder what the VIP kits are, it's a subscription offer that I do on my website. Once a month, in the beginning of the month, you get 2 kits straight to your email box. You pay upfront once, and then for 12 months you get 24 kits. So 2 kits a month. One is a larger kit, one is a smaller kit. So you get 2 kits straight to your email address. You also get a nominated 20% of discount code to use anytime for every single item on my website, including sale. And also every month you get a cheeky offer. This offer could be a free kit, could be, I don't know, a 3 for 2, can be a kit half price. I tend to vary the offers so you guys get proper spoiled. So before I show you the project, let me show you the kit. Okay, so let me show you the kits first. So the first one is the larger kit and the second one is the mini. Okay, so the larger one, it's got quite a lot of pages. So you've got one page with the tags. Look at that. So you've got the same sort of pattern with different backgrounds and the different color gems. This is probably my favorite one. And guess why it's called Diamonds Are Girls' Best Friends? Oh well, they are. And not just girls, I must admit. Oh, guilty. Yeah, I do like diamonds. I do like gems. Yeah, love them. Then there is this page when I just create a little embellishment for your cards or journals or whatever you want to create with those. So it's very high definition. So you've got all this beautiful sequins. Then this is probably my favorite page of the kit, or one of them. So you've got 4 different backgrounds with 4 different sequins. So you've got gold, this lovely baby blue. It's not teal, it's in between teal and blue, but it's more blue than teal. So some of these are teal. I don't know if you can see, yeah. And then it's very deep navy blue and of course red. Then a page with all different diamonds. A full background of different gems and gold diamonds. I love that. Love them. A full page of purple and deep purple sequins. And I enhanced the sparkler with some white. Hope you can see them. This is another one of my favorites. So you've got a really nice turquoise background with all the different gems. And then what I did, guys, I just put them into 4 different cards. So they're perfect cards backgrounds. Or if you can make like vintage cards, or you can cut them into tags. You can do anything you want. And this is my favorite page with it butterfly. So it's blue butterflies there, and then there is a bit of green. It looks black, but it's more like it's in between gray and blue. It looks black, I guess, on camera, or what I can see it looks black, but it's not. And then you've got these beautiful butterflies and a lot of gems. Love it, love it. One more page with full of tags, like scallop tags with gold sequins. And one more page of tags, blue tags with the gems. they're just ready for you guys. So you just need to fussy cut them and decorate them, or you can just leave them like that. And then the last page is this one here, when you've got a little embellishment. So you can cut these flowers and create your own flowers. This is a bow, so that is the two tails, and that is the two, what you call them, thingy, or the bow, and that goes in the middle. And then some tabs. So if you make like a gold sequin journal, that's amazing. And some balloons. And that's it. So that's kit number 1. And then kit number 2 is this one. So you've got 4 pages. So all my minis have 4 pages. So, and this is not available on the website. This is purely for the VIP members. And this, of course, those 2 are. So that's got a floral background, and then so they, do you know, if you do handmade books or not books, this will look amazing, because look how pretty, or as a book cover or journal cover, that looks nice. This one here with a muse, angel, and Cupid with his little friend. And then what I thought, guys, I gave you a page with small embellishment, black and white, so they can go with everything, and you just fussy cut it, so you can use this as little decorations, or you can make cards or tags. And then slightly bigger version if you do like bigger projects. So this is amazing, like for Valentine's, for example. And I love this one. Okay, so I made 4 cards that are literally exactly the same, but I wanted to give you 4 different options with color combinations. So let me show you the first. So first is blue, and I'll show you the cards first, and I'll put the speedy project. So I use the sequence background that you find on the page with the 4 cards, and then I have used this one here. It's a kit from Stampin' Up. So Eclectic. I got it from eBay, £10 including shipping, second hand. But I got the stamp and the beautiful dies, bargain. So always say check eBay from Stampin' Up bargains. So I have used the flowers, those 2 here, and the leaves, and then I've used the dies to die cut them. And then on this die set, you get the gems. So you've got the diamond, so you've got the outline and the details. So but it's 2 separate, so you can play with the color codes like I did when we did the pockets a couple of weeks ago. So you get the silver version and you know that, so you can play with different color combination. I put the link to this video at the end in case you missed it. Very fun glittery pockets. So card number 1, they're all thank you cards, but you've got 4 different color combination, and I just play with some hexagons on the background, and I love the diamond and the flowers. Very, very simple. It's just a lot of layers, as you can see. Ooh. Yeah, this card is very heavy. So that's one. Then gold, and I use some gold. I know it looks yellow on camera, but on flesh is a gold ink. Have I got it here? No, I'll put it back. And it's sparkle, but I don't know what you can see. And I just play with some hexagons on the background. But I think it works. It really works. And I love the sequence on the background. Then we got a silver and teal version. So I use the baby blue and teal sequence on the background, and then the silver and the teal. I think the silver and the teal goes very, very well together. Very well. Very rich, I think. I love it. I hope you guys do too. So that's one. And then the last is the gold pink. So you get the gold pink sequence on the background, and then I just played with the elements and the embellishment. So yeah, everything sparkles. It wouldn't be me without some sparkles. Okay, so I'm just going to put a speedy up version so you can see how I made those little cards. Very, very simple, guys, honestly. You just need some layers. But you don't have to use the flowers. You don't have to use the tanks. If you use the background, you can, you can use what you got in your craft room. But the reason why I picked this one, because the hexagon is quite geometric with the diamond. So I kind of like kept it that. And then I love the contrast with the geometric and the flowers. So let me put it all together so you can see what they look like. So that that. Let me know which one is your favorite. I must admit, I do like the teal and the silver, but I also like the rose gold. So. Okay guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you wish to join my VIP membership, click on the link down below, follow the steps. Very straightforward. One single payment, you're fabulous for 12 months. Guys, if you wish to watch more card making videos, I will put a link here on the screen. You've got tons and tons of card making videos for your inspiration. Guys, thank you ever so much for watching. Thank you so much for taking the time to leave comments and like. Really appreciate it. Have a wonderful day, and until next time, stay safe and well. Bye.